Welcome everyone to today's presentation on Introduction to E-commerce. Today we'll explore the basics of e-commerce, understand its various types, and also discuss the advantages and disadvantages associated with it. We'll explore the key characteristics of e-commerce and its significance in the modern market. What is e-commerce? E-commerce or electronic commerce refers to the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. It involves transactions between businesses and consumers or even between consumers themselves, all done online. It involves the use of digital platforms for commercial transactions. This type of commerce has transformed the way we conduct business today, offering convenience, accessibility, and faster transactions. Key characteristics of e-commerce include online transactions, use of websites, mobile applications, and secure payment gateways. The absence of geographical limitations allowing businesses to reach a global market. Then coming to the types of e-commerce, let's talk about the three main types of e-commerce. B2B, business to business. This model involves transactions between businesses. For example, one business might sell raw materials or services to another. Wholesale suppliers and software providers are classic examples of B2B. Then we have B2C, business to consumer. This is the most common type of e-commerce where businesses sell products or services directly to consumers. Think of major online retailers like Amazon or Walmart. Then C2C, consumer to consumer. This involves transactions where consumers sell goods or services to other consumers. Popular platforms for C2C transactions include eBay and Facebook Marketplace. B2B, business to business e-commerce. In B2B e-commerce, businesses sell products or services to other businesses. This could involve wholesale distributors or manufacturers supplying products to retail companies. The transactions are often larger in volume and value, with long-term business relationships forming between buyers and sellers. Examples of B2B e-commerce include wholesale suppliers who sell raw materials to manufacturers, enterprise software providers selling to businesses, and cloud computing services and platforms for businesses. Then B2C, business to consumer e-commerce. B2C e-commerce is the model we are most familiar with. In this type, businesses directly sell products or services to end consumers. Examples of B2C businesses include e-commerce like Amazon, online food delivery services, and streaming platforms like Netflix. This model is built around consumer convenience and the ability to shop anywhere at any time, with the added benefit of easy payment and home delivery options. And then we have C2C, consumer to consumer e-commerce. In C2C e-commerce, consumers engage in buying and selling directly with each other, usually facilitated by third-party platforms that act as intermediaries. These platforms provide an online marketplace, ensuring secure transactions between buyers and sellers. Examples of C2C platforms include eBay and Facebook Marketplace, where individuals can sell used items or even offer services to other consumers. Then coming to the advantages of e-commerce. E-commerce offers numerous advantages. Let's break them down. First one is the convenience. E-commerce allows consumers to shop 24/7 without the need to visit physical stores. You can place an order at any time and from anywhere. Global reach. With e-commerce, businesses are not limited by geography. They can reach a global customer base, breaking down geographical barriers. Then third, variety of products. E-commerce gives consumers easy access to a variety of products from around the world, offering a broader section than what physical stores might provide. However, there are some challenges and disadvantages to e-commerce. First is the security issues. With the rise of online transactions, there are concerns about cyber threats such as data breaches, identity theft, and fraud. Businesses must ensure secure payment gateways and data protection measures. Privacy concerns. E-commerce platforms often collect personal and financial data, raising concerns about how this data is handled and used. Customers may feel uneasy about sharing sensitive information online. Then, lack of physical interaction. In traditional retail, consumers can touch, feel, and try products before purchasing. E-commerce lacks this physical aspect, which can be a drawback for certain items like clothing or electronics. Then, e-commerce in the modern world. E-commerce continues to evolve and grow. With advancements in mobile technology, more consumers are shopping on their smartphones and tablets. Mobile shopping has exploded in recent years, allowing users to shop from anywhere. Mobile payment systems like Apple Pay and Google Pay have further simplified the purchasing process. Emerging trends in e-commerce include social commerce, selling products directly through social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Voice commerce, consumers can now shop using voice activated devices like Alexa and Google Home. And then augmented reality. Some e-commerce platforms now use AR to let customers virtually try products before buying. So, to recap, e-commerce has revolutionized the way we do businesses by offering types such as B2B, B2C, and C2C. The advantages include convenience, global reach, and variety, while the disadvantages include security and privacy concerns, as well as the lack of physical interaction. As technology continues to evolve, e-commerce will likely keep growing, incorporating new trends and making it even more accessible and secure for consumers and businesses alike.